my first wax.
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 I had my first wax when I was in class 7.
I got first time wax when I was in 6th class.
I was 17 when I had my first waxing done.
15 साल की थी. I was around 17 years old.
It's a lot of pain, but I just prefer to not be hairy.
It was really painful for the first time because I had really long hair like a wolf.
Extremely painful. For the next 48 hours, I couldn't even put my arms down.
The minute she took out that knife, I was like, "Beta, aaj to khatam hai." The worst part is when they put the strip and that 1 second pause that they give before they pull it, it kills the other person basically.
When the first time I was gonna get waxed, I was getting my upper lip waxed. So the lady kept tapping on my upper lip. So I didn't know. So I was like just looking at her. भाई तू कर क्या रही है मेरे को? तो बोला यहाँ पे जीभ लगाओ. So I literally took out my tongue and I tried to like touch it to my upper lip. So then it was quite funny because everyone around me was laughing.
It started with my arms and everything. A bit painful, but it was like okay.
मैंने घर पे ही कराया था.
I got it done from a parlor. Like I was really excited for the first time.
I went to a parlor near my home called Gazab. So yeah, Gazab Beauty Parlor did that to me.
I remember it was at home. My sister did it to me.
There was this parlor next to my house.
Yeah, I think men should get waxed. I think they should even get bikini wax. They should understand the pain girls feel, you know.
If men want to get waxed, go ahead.
I feel that it's more on the person. Like if you want to, then fine.
I don't think men should get waxed.
I think men should wax their chest for sure, but their hands and legs shouldn't be waxed. That's a little gay for me.
Of course, waxed, fully waxed.
Honestly, it doesn't matter too much.
Waxed men are a bit preferred.
I'd go with waxed women.
It's a mixture of both because if I was never told to get waxed, I would never even think about it.
I basically started because of peer pressure, but now I feel more of your hygiene.
Initially, it used to be because of the societal pressure because I was in a convent school, so we used to have skirts. So, you know, girls used to be really clean and all. So there was a pressure from guys because they used to make fun and all. So that time it was because of societal pressure, but now it's a part of hygiene.
I think it's pretty much because of social pressure. Because the society has somewhat made a definition, a model for sassy. Having hair is definitely not on the list.
The first time I did get it done, it was because everyone around me was getting waxed. So I was like, okay, fine, it's also time for me to get, because even I started feeling disgusted because everyone was clean and I wasn't. So I was like, even I need to get it done.
It wasn't a peer pressure or societal pressure. I wanted myself to get waxed and see how I look without hair on my body.
Because it's painful.
Well, the first and the foremost, it's very painful, so do not get waxed. But it's very joyful to play with your chest hairs. Like, try it someday. It's really a good pastime.
It's really painful, and other will be, it's a vicious circle. Once you get waxed, you have to get it done again, and till you die, you have to get waxed.
It's a painful task.
The only reason I don't want to get waxed is because I don't want to get waxed. That's the only reason.
Hi, this is Aniket.
And this is Shrey. We are from Old Elephants.
If you want to watch more videos, you can click here.
And if you want to subscribe, you can click here.
And this is not Taj Mahal.
Yeah, this is Eiffel Tower.
No, pyramids.
Okay.
Taj Mahal.